right, last of the process here. What's wild in New Hampshire today? We're up to Newfound Lake, putting in the boat ramp, the boat dock, not the ramp. The ramp is here. Boat dock. Lots of hands here. Look at this. There we go. Setting it in place. Nothing a little hammer won't fix. All right. Look at that. Sweet. Looks like it's a wrap. Nice. Good job, guys. Newfound Lake, you're ready now. This is what's wild in New Hampshire today. Get outside, be wild, live life on the wild side of New Hampshire.